Just pulled up. It's Coles Park, East Berlin, Pennsylvania. It's only about 10 minutes from where I live, so I'm about to skate, film it, fucking, yeah, let's get it. Ow, fucking dropped that shit right on my toe. Trying to get a cool shot. Alright, so I gotta set up, not really set up, but put my trucks back on my old board. Cause I switched them over and then cracked the fuck out of my nose. I'm trying to kickflip off this board. I'm not really trying to fucking deal with all that right now. So, yeah, set it up real quick. Never really made videos before. I don't really know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm gonna just try. I'm sure I'll get better at it. Fucking cold out here, by the way. It's November, day after Thanksgiving in Pennsylvania. I moved up here from Florida about 6-7 months ago. So it's very cold for me. I'm not used to this whatsoever. I've been skating for a while, but it doesn't really seem like it. Never really took it seriously until about a year or so ago, year and a few months ago. But I have been skating since a young teenager, 13, 14. Started even before that, but just with like a Walmart board or whatever. But yeah, I was into the scene and trying to skate for a while, but I never had the confidence really in myself and wouldn't commit to shit, so. And then I put it down for a while and had some ups and downs in life, you know how that goes, and then skateboarding came back to me and it's really been helping me out, man. Yeah, I've definitely gotten way better than I ever thought I would be, and I still got a long ways to go. Alright, set that bitch up. We're gonna get one point of view fucking all the way up. Sloppy as fuck it. Just bring my camera along, talk to myself and film my progression. I don't know if I'm nervous or freezing or both. The wind, man. Alright, let me figure this out. I think should be a pretty good point of view angle. Shouldn't be point, yeah. I'm all over the place. Like I said, I still got a long way to fucking go skating. Definitely not my best day right now. I can say that for sure. Sun, that will help me feel better. I've been battling tray flips for 4 or 5 years. Like I said, I didn't skate for a really long time, only here and there. Finally landing on bolts and shit. Just gonna keep practicing until I get one for the POV. So weird, man. Some days I just be getting them, some days are so off. These ones are close. It's like, I just didn't get that one. Kinda got one, but I don't count that. I know my heels bounced. Lock in. Where's my front foot, bro? The fucking wind. Ooh. Oh. I don't know what's really going on right now. No heels, no trays, barely kick flips. Stop talking shit. I want to get like trays more consistent. Damn, I'm missing a bolt in my back. What the fuck, man? At least I have extras. Look at this, bro. It's okay. Dude. Fucking serious, bro? Damn, bro. Why can't I land it? Bro, fuck. Dude, my fuck. Yo, what up, bro? GoPro, what? Yeah, man. How's it going? Huh?
I have your jacket.
Oh yeah, bro. Thank you. It's fucking me up. Oh. Hell yeah. Fucking yo, hell yeah.
Put him somewhere. I'm probably gonna put him on the ramp.
Here?
Yeah.
Gonna get wrecked. I don't know, shitty ass ramp. Yo, what up, bro? I didn't realize it was you. What up, man? Saw me losing it on the trays. Yeah, bro, it's good.
How did they even came down here?
Well, this is the option set driving to Hoyt and Tawny Town.
Yeah.
Snow flurry and shit we just had a little while ago.
Really?
Yeah.
Spring Grove it was.
Yeah, Friday.
Oh.
Right, last Friday.
No, just like
Oh, really?
an hour ago.
What the fuck? Snow?
Yeah, I was about to leave and like
Oh.
hell snowing like crazy. I'm like, well fuck
That's
that.
crazy.
I skate there for years.
Fuck. So windy. It's crazy. I don't know how I'm landing every single one but not rolling away.
fucking makes me want to kill myself. I don't know why I can't land normal fucking trays. That was it. How did that not roll? Damn. Dude, what the? I've landed every try and not rolled. Guess I can only tray revert. What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro! Fuck you! Yeah, bro. Yeah.